In today's video, I am going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Google Chrome desktop. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to any web page you want to view. Now move your attention to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You will see the three-dot menu. Click that three-dot menu to open the main Chrome options. Once the menu opens, look for the section labeled Zoom. Next to the word Zoom, you will see a minus button and a plus button with a percentage value in between. That percentage is your current zoom level for the page you are viewing. To zoom in and make everything larger, click the plus button. Each click increases the zoom level in small increments, which makes text, images, and page elements easier to see. To zoom out and make everything smaller, click the minus button. This is useful when a page looks too crowded or when you want more content to fit on the screen at once. As you adjust the zoom, keep an eye on the percentage value. It gives you a clear reference point so you can return to a comfortable setting later. If the page layout shifts slightly as you zoom, that is normal. Many modern sites automatically reflow and resize to match your view. Take your time and click the plus or minus button until the page feels right for you. When you are done, you can simply click anywhere outside the menu to close it and continue browsing. That covers everything you need to know.